If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you improve your connection and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the matchmaking servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, or another platform and navigate to the game library. Right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Property, and choose the option to verify the integrity of game files. This will check for any corrupted files and repair them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block the game S connection. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed to communicate through the network. You may need to add it as an exception. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the Matchmaking Error 2025. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!